This video will demonstrate the installation and operational procedure of the red pin steel dock board from Bluff Manufacturing. The truck driver reverses the truck to the loading dock. The vehicle should be blocked securely using wheel chocks or vehicle restraint. The lift loops on the top of the board should then be folded up. The operator uses the forklift to place the board between the dock and truck, ensuring that there is 5 to 8 inches of lip purchase on both the dock and truck sides. The lift loops are then folded down and the operator places the pins as close as possible on both the dock and truck sides to prevent board movement. The operator can then start loading or unloading. To remove the board from the truck, the operator removes the 4 pins and folds up the lift loops. The operator then uses the forklift to lift and remove the board from the truck. Once the board has been removed, the truck can pull away from the dock. Call or visit our website for more information.